another one. Is eating your meat, this one. What about a bit of this cold meat there? Don't want another fish. Huh? Could swim in the water for you.
But she likes the worms, but not the fish.
Not so much, no. I think she's eaten a few frozen fishes. Maybe she doesn't like that so much. Oh, there's a fish gone. Is it sunk? Look, he's here. There's something in there as well, floating in the water. You make a polite effort. Shake your head. Go on, you must be hungry. You've got to get strong, you know. Oh yes, you've got a nice piece of fish in the water there. No,
Doesn't like that either.
Huh?
Doesn't like that either.
No, she's interested that she's not hungry. You have to eat something, little one. I give it to the chickens otherwise. Look. Oh, chickens can get it. Oh, she's too fast. She'll eat it eventually. Oh, she's eating a bit. No, she put the fish in there, I think. The old fish that was in here. Yes, she's eaten 2 fish. Well done. 2 fish, 6 worms.
Yeah. Likes a bit of water with her fish.
Oh yeah, she has water with everything.
Mm.
But such a sensitive, tiny beak at the end. She goes for the smallest scraps of food.
Mm.
I'm glad she's not getting dog food anymore. It's not good for her at all. It's not good for dogs. But for a wild bird, who shall be flying off very soon.